Hello everyone, so welcome to the market analysis video. So here we are going to discuss the detailed analysis of all the index and every sector which we can give you a watch for upcoming days. So before starting the video, due to some reason I'm working in some organization, so that's why I can't upload the daily basis video, but I will try to make video as much as possible. I will try to cover all the important related news and all the technical factors, fundamentals. I will try to cover all that things as much as possible. Okay, so now start the video in Nifty 50. Before starting the video, quickly see the global market. So if now you can see that Dow Jones is almost 0.31 100 point negative, and Nasdaq is flat, and European market, if you see, a lot of selling is going on. Tax is little bit flat, and all the other index, European Union, all the overall market is flat. And in the Sundays Mondays morning, the overall structure of the market will decide where our market is opening. And for weekly basis, our analysis is very simple. For Nifty, if you see that Nifty, after the giving a very good momentum from 16,800, it has showing some profit booking from the top, or correction you may say, right? Because this red candle is a very big candle. If you see the if you measure the candles, if you see that this type of candle was previously made at the time of when it is around 18,500 in this range. Okay, so that's why this is very important for us to watch. And see, this correction is actually needed. If you see that from the bottom of 16,800, almost 70, more than 3,200 points rally it has given without any correction. That's why if we get any correction, so it is best for us. We can add further stocks in our portfolio, and it will be healthier for the market in future. Okay, so for Nifty, our analysis is very simple. You can use the trend based retracement, connect the bottom to top, and if you see the next important support that is coming nearly about 19,000 and 18,650 in this range. And technically, if you see, this is a very important range. If you see, this is a very important range, 18,656, the previous resistance area. And this is a main zone where we need to give more focus upon. And but 19,000 also is a psychological number, so it will also can create some impact as well. So this is the level in weekly basis where we have to give, we have to watch very carefully. And if I move towards the daily time frame in Nifty, if you will find that before 19,000, 18,000 to 19,250 is the zone where market has multiple time taken support and then given a rally. So 18,250 also a very important area for us, intraday basis and overall basis as well. If it is break, then 19,050 to 19,750 and 19,840, all this level will be important as daily basis. Okay, now if I see the weekly basis, that if we get the correction, similarly you also can draw this trend line from the bottom. This trend line will also can act as a support for the Nifty, because if you see the overall momentum is positive. If you see, it is making the momentum is very simple, it is making this kind of momentum here. Okay, so overall momentum is positive, but little bit of correction and retracement is also needed, right? So that's why we have to be very careful around 19,000 250 and 18,650 in this area. And I'm seeing lots of comments and posts in the social media that everyone want to trying to book their portfolios and all those stuff. But this is just there's the corrections. You can add, you can watch very important stocks in a future specific stocks. You can analyze it. I will also share, if I get a time, I will do a details video on it. and it will also help you to analyze that technically, fundamentally, and you can think for the investment in upcoming days. So this is for Nifty. 19,244 and 19,657 is the main important area, because whenever it will break 19,244 this level, 244 this level, whenever it will break, then M kind of pattern also will be activated. So there are two confirmation we will get that temporarily we are in the bearish market, right? So that's all for Nifty. Now moving towards Fin Nifty. If you see the Fin Nifty chart, so in Fin Nifty also weekly basis, double top kind of patterns we can see here, double top kind of pattern we can see here, and similarly it is now almost at the bottom line, almost at the bottom line. Okay, whenever it will break 19,340 350 in this area, we can see further selling M kind of patterns you can see here, although it is working. If it is break 19,340 to 19,000, main level is 19,000 because it is psychological number. If you see that level, we can expect further down move towards 17,000, 600, 500. All this level can be tested. Similarly, like Nifty, you also can draw this trend line. This also can help, whenever market come in this area, this will work as a double support. So this is a very important area. Whenever we'll get the breakdown, yes, the negative can be started, then 17,400, 500, this level also can be tested in the Fin Nifty area. Further up move only possible, number one, if it is take support from this year, from the you can go for the bottom fishing, but I will strictly say, if you are not experienced enough, don't try to catch the bottom here. For after the breakout you can take the trade, otherwise after the breakdown you also can plan for selling in the same way. Now move towards the Nifty bank, bank Nifty, Nifty bank, Nifty indices. Okay, here it is, the bank Nifty chart. So bank Nifty chart, removing the previous drawing here. So in the bank Nifty chart, if you see like Fin Nifty, it is also making same kind of patterns over there. And now here it is a zone to watch out. 43,750 is a zone. It is the previously high it is making here, and after the breakout of that trend, here it has taken support. It has taken multiple time support, almost for 1 2 3 4 5 5 weeks it has taken support from here. So it is a very important range for bank Nifty. If it is break that range, yearly, if it is break that support area, then further downside movement also can be possible in 42,000, say 42,700, 42,000. All this level can be tested. Similarly, like Nifty, Fin Nifty, this trend line also can act like a support area for bank Nifty. Okay, this trend line also very important. You should draw that levels in your chart. So further, whenever market takes support, market come in this area, it will help you to take the decisions, right? So this trend line will also decide our upcoming move in bank Nifty as well. If it is given a breakdown of that range, then of course our main support will be 39,300, but is 42,000, 42,700. All this level also can be tested in weekly basis. And further up move will only available, further up move only possible above 46,350 above, only further up move possible, otherwise market will be in this range for some time, right? So the sector, if you give a quick look to the sector. So first, mid cap Nifty, if you see that, so Nifty mid cap weekly basis, it has given a wonderful rally from the bottoms, almost 65,000 to 9250, more than 50%, 60% return it has given. If you measure that, the zone is somewhere around almost 39% return it has given. From March till now, it has given 30 to 39% return, right? So of course, some profit we can expect here, right? Our next support area will be 86,000, 80 sorry 80,000 8,000 8250, all this level can be tested. This is the previous range where market given breakout retest that level and given a further rally. And similarly here also market has halted for some time, so 46 to 8650 also could be an important support for us, right? So I would suggest if momentum become negative, if from mid cap stocks, try to book some profit over there. It will be very important. You can see some in the PSU sector, profit booking has already started. Like especially in the, I don't know about the banks, but yes, in the IRCTC and all those stuff, I have also booked profit over there, right? So in the all those sector, railway sector, try to book some profit at least. Almost everyone, some of them also, some of my circle, they have double their capital over there. So try to book your double their money over there. So try to at least take out your capital over there, then others remaining let it be, and we can see that in the future, right? So for the nifty mid cap, now book some profit over there, I would say. It will be, better options. Now nifty bank nifty we have discussed. In the, if you see the reality sector also started retesting on that level. Previous high it has begun triple five and almost trading in this area. So now we can't say anything about that now. 524 is a zone to watch out. If it is break, only then we can say temporarily it is negative, but otherwise it is just a profit booking happening over there. Similarly, you also can draw this trend line, right? Although it will not be that much impactful, but of course it can give you some sentiment, right? So if it is break that trend, then 5 to 5 is the main area to watch out. If it is take support from here, then further up move is possible. Otherwise, temporarily we can expect some downtrend movement in reality sector as well. In the PSU bank, it has I have discussed that level previously with you. Whenever it has given a breakout of that range, right? So see, from the there to it almost reached where 5289, almost given a very good rally over there. Now also try to book some profit in PSU banks, like if it is possible, try to book some profit. If you're you know trail your result, at least you can trail your result. If you have brought in the bottom area in every especially the volume are high in Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank. No, State Bank is not that enough volume, you can say, from the swing basis. But BOB, Canara Bank, and City Union Bank, all those banks, there are higher volume, right? So you can watch that very carefully. So for the PSU sector, these are the level are intact. This blue trend line is the main support area, and now 45,000, 43,800, 43,050 to 45,000. This level also can act as a support area for PSU bank. In the media sector also, it is showing some profit booking. It has touched the top. So further up only happen above 2500 level. Now so far it is showing some profit booking from the top. Metal sector, very interestingly, it has given a breakout of its all-time high, and now it is in the, if you see, you can draw this trend line. Similarly, you also can draw this level, right? Both side rejection is facing now. And if you see the metal sector in Tata Steel and all those sectors, they are showing some profit booking. But nothing to worry about. From the bottom you can just draw this trend line. Okay, if it is come below the trend line, you can say temporarily some profit booking. Otherwise it is okay. If it is break, try to book some profit over there in all the metal and metal cement sector. Try to book some profit. Otherwise nothing to worry about, right? Now if you come to the auto sector, it is bullish, very bullish auto sector now. Because in the last month auto sales, if you check that in the report, any report, you will find the almost highest auto sales has happened in the month of August, right? So that's why 15,682, this is the level. If it is break that level, then our next target will be 15,172. below, only below this range we can say that yes, some profit booking is happening. Otherwise all the momentum is very positive. If you see the the structure of the chart, it is very positive over there. You also can connect all the bottoms over there, and you will find very interesting support over there. So if any correction happens, of course we can add that, for future, the all the auto stocks we can add for the future basis, right? So that's why it is a very important area. If we see some retracement around 14,000, 15,000 in this range, it will be very good for us. Okay, now the IT sector, main important thing, the IT sector, it was a 33,333. Very interesting number. This was the breakdown zone of the ITC. All the IT sector. Right now, in the last week, it has given tested that range, and this week it has shown some profit booking over there. Okay, so that's why we have to watch very carefully. If it is break 33,000 level, 34,000 will be our next target. 34,000, there is a gap pending. So of course this gap can be treated very easily. So IT sector we should watch very carefully. If it is given breakout, all the major IT stock can rally. And I also try to make some videos about the all the blue chip stocks, because if you study that the last 1 or 2 weeks, if you see the blue chip stocks, the volume is very high. So I'll try to put some levels over there, very important level in the all major blue chip stocks like Reliance, HDFC, some stocks from IT, TCS, Infosys, in the metal sector. As much as possible I will try to put that. Okay, so in the metal IT sector also, you can see it has a very important level. So for upcoming days, IT sector will also can create a very good impact. Okay, guys. So that's all for this video. I'll try to make another video regarding the blue chip stock as soon as possible. And if it's possible, I will also try to cover the intraday basis index analysis, and in the weeks, if I get any chance, if it is possible, I will try to mention some stocks. Otherwise, I will do index analysis only. Okay, guys. So that's all for this video. Best of luck for the upcoming week, and have a good day. Bye.